Hi, my name is Gary Jackson, and this project is for Language Arts Periods 4 and 5. This project is about how to make hot dogs in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Lay out your materials. I have hot dogs, a pan to put them in, tongs to remove them with, hot dog buns, hot dog buns, and 3 condiments: ketchup, mustard, and relish. Step 2. Place hot dogs into your pan. Step 3. Add some water. Step 4. Put them on the stove and put them at medium. And put them on the medium setting. Step 6. When the hot dogs come to a boil, first you have to turn off the stove. Grab your tongs and your buns and remove them from the fire. Step 7. Top and enjoy.